Okay, YouTube, so this is a video on how to correct a water leak at the bottom front of your Frigidaire. In some similar brands, the Electrolux Gallery dishwasher. Now my dishwasher, while it was running, was pulling water at the base from both the left and the right hand side. I assumed it was just a bad gasket, so got a new replacement gasket, installed it. Took out the old one without taking off the front cover and put on the new one, still leaked. So ended up having to take out the front machine cover. Looks like this. It consists of a series of 6 Torx T-tube screws and then a set of 4 Phillips head to get that front machine cover off. And what ends up happening is a couple of trial and error. So I just want to kind of give you the details here. I think I made every possible mistake you possibly think of. This replacement gasket here with the holes in it, what was happening was it was not seated correctly in this upper gray housing. So this lighter color gray here is the actual gasket. This is the pinch flap, if you will, that holds it in place. And it was not aligning to it. It had basically gotten loose on it and for both sides. So when I installed it, initially, I had it actually pointed the wrong way. There's actually a notch in one side of the gasket. And if you don't get that notch, and on my particular washer, the notch, I don't know if you can see it with the light, I'm trying to point it out here. The notch for mine is actually right here. Try to get a good angle where you see that little white thing. There's a little notch there. It has to be on the right hand side, so you can only install the gasket one way. And if you can't tell if you don't have the front cover off whether or not it's actually seated correctly. So that was the problem I was running into. I actually had it installed backwards, thought it was sealed. It looked sealed looking at it from the inside, but when you take off the actual cover of the front of the dishwasher, it's actually not sealed. So only way to actually fully know whether or not it's sealed correctly is take off the front cover and visually inspect it and make sure you see the yellow of the gasket here. Notch is secure there. You see kind of the line going all the way down, all the way across. These drainage holes are there to catch all water in this particular drip tray and allow that water to drain back into the interior of the dishwasher. And you can see it all the way across. So that's how you know for sure whether or not your gasket is secured correctly on there. And you do have to take off that front dishwasher cover in order to visually confirm that. So I hope this helps YouTube, and good luck.